This one is for children under 5. And this one for adults. One for adults and this one. And that one is a maternity room.
Which one?
The last floor.
The last one?
Yeah, so the labor one. That's where we live. This is our pharmacy. This is our dispenser. Now I'm water for under the primary health.
Do I do it?
Calls that now.
And
this one is dispensary. This is dispensary, but no Piram Shonga.
Patients who observe my patients, whatever they need a patient.
Okay. No permission guide.
No permission guide from my own.
Oh, no,